In this video, I will show you how to easily change currency on crypto.com. So I have in here an article by crypto.com themselves showing us how to change or display entitlement currency for this one. So for that, you should be able to see that the app itself will display your flat currency on your balance and transaction. So your selected currency will also be used for the settlement currency for the purchases for debit card or credit card. So to change your display and settlement currency, what you can do is you can just open your menu on the top left corner on home screen and then click onto the settings. So that's the first step. Click on settings and then under account, tap on display currency and then select your payment currency from the list. So they actually support in here this fiat currencies available. They have USD, GBP, Euros, and the likes that you should be able to see right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.